Hey guys, my sister's gonna be doing my sister's makeup and I won't be in the whole video, so keep on watching. Peace.
Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my little sister's makeup, and her name is Liliana, and she always wanted to be in a video with me, so I thought today's a perfect day. It's nice, it's sunny, we have nothing else to do because, you know, everybody is quarantined right now. But yeah, I'm going to be giving her this look that I have on. It's just a really the light is so strong, sorry. I'm going to go in the shade, but the light is so strong. But anyways, I'm going to be giving her this look that I have on, which is just like a natural glam look. It's really easy, like it's natural, no lashes and nothing. So if you want to see me give her this look, then please keep watching. All the products that I use, I'm going to list in the description box because I'm not going to be saying all of them as I'm going along. So yeah, if you want to see what I use, just check the description. But we're going to start with primer. And this is just the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. And this stuff goes a long way. So I'm using less than half a pump on her face because... like, obviously, she has a small face. Yeah. So, and if that light on my face, like, when it's like that is bothering you guys, I'm sorry, but I want to be in the good lighting, but it's hurting my eyes, so I'm trying to, like, hide. So now we're going to be moving into foundation, and honestly, all the products that I'm using on her, I also have... God!
What? The sun?
I also have on my face right now too. So this shade is obviously a little bit too dark for her, but it's also too dark for me because it's a summer shade. No, you can open them. So yeah, I'm gonna have to blend it down to her neck and stuff like that, but I really do that with all my makeup and stuff like that, just so everything blends in nicely together. And
don't mind him.
If you hear a little noise in the background, it's our brother. He's back there playing. He wanted to be close to us, so yeah. If she seems a little like shy and nervous, it's because she's never been on camera before. So she's probably a little shy. So, have you been liking your quarantine so far? Like having no school?
It's okay, like it's not the best. I've walked there sometimes. He loves it.
He loves it, obviously.
Because like there's my class days when I'm like, oh, I want to go see my friends. Some days when I'm like, oh, I want to go
talk a little louder.
Like I want to go see my friends or like have a payday to go to school and see them, but I can't because we can't go outside.
Yeah.
I mean, you can, but you shouldn't go outside.
Yeah, we shouldn't. Lift up like that so I can blend
unless you're going to the grocery store.
Yes, we shouldn't be going outside unless it's to go to the grocery store. I'm like using less product on her face than I put on mine.
Yes, because my face is very small.
Just because her face, like she's still more natural and like she doesn't need as much as I need. Not that I need, but you know. I'm gonna be taking concealer now. I really didn't use a lot of concealer for this look. I more so used foundation. But now I'm just going to be going with my Fenty Beauty Sponge to blend it all in. Our little brother really wants to be in the video, but I told him this one is just for our sister, but he's definitely going to be in more videos on my channel and stuff like that. Yeah. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those. Yeah. Is the light bothering your eyes?
No, because I'm facing you, but like...
when you look forward at times.
No, actually, it doesn't bother me anymore.
Good. let's ask some questions. What are like your favorite YouTubers to watch? Like, give me 3 of your favorite YouTubers.
Chad and
Not you, mister. You, Nanny.
Pat and John. Maybe.
So what are your favorite YouTubers, Nanny? Lily, sorry. Nanny's like her nickname, but she wants me to call her Liliana for the video. So who are some of your favorite YouTubers?
I don't know, because there are like so many, and then it's hard to name only 3.
Okay, you can name like 5.
I want to tell them mine.
Okay, wait up. Let Nanny go first.
Leah Ash.
Leah Ash. Close.
Well, her channel's called I Am Sana, but...
Her, louder, Nanny.
Her channel's called I Am Sana, but...
I am what?
Sana.
Sana?
I can't say it.
Okay.
Actually, there's this one, like... It's called Aquarius Gamer Girl because, like...
Aquarius Gaming Girl?
Yeah, and I had a student teacher, and, like it's her sister.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
So you had a student teacher that her sister is a YouTuber? That's
yeah.
really cool. But what about like Aussie and like her? Or like Sniper Wolf, those girls?
Yeah, Azzyland, Gloom. I watch a lot of gaming channels actually.
Yeah, she loves gaming. She'd always tell me like, Emily, please do gaming on your channel. Like, I want to watch gaming videos.
Yeah, she'll ask me like, because I don't really watch her YouTube videos, so like.
The shade.
She'll ask me like, what do I have to do to watch her YouTube videos? I'll watch her baking. I'll watch her baking YouTube videos.
Is the light bothering you again?
No.
Okay.
But not her makeup videos.
Yeah, she does not watch my makeup videos at all.
But I do watch her baking videos. But so my answers were baking.
I hope. Wait up. Oh, sorry. Wait up.
Wait, what?
I hope that the lighting in this video is like okay. I can't really tell right now the way we have the camera set up.
There's like dots on your forehead.
But I'm just hoping that when I go to edit this, it's bright enough and it's not like dark where you can't really see.
My brother really wanted to say his favorite YouTuber, so...
My favorite YouTuber is Chad and B, Pat and Jen, and I forgot the other one.
Is it? Oh, is it like
The Minecraft player I play.
Oh,
King?
King Minecraft, something like that.
No,
It's-
King Crane.
King Crane.
He doesn't do Minecraft.
Yeah, King Crane does Minecraft.
No, he does like GTA.
He does Roblox and GTA.
What's like your favorite thing to do?
Well, I like painting
Mm-hmm.
and
Louder.
I like painting, drawing, which is kind of the same thing. Watching YouTube.
Watching YouTube, of course.
And I mean, playing with toys, kind of.
Kind of playing with toy.
I really like reading.
Mm-hmm.
There's like so many books around.
Can I
So yeah, those are really just my favorite things to do.
So now I'm just gonna highlight her a little bit. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. I hope the camera picks it up.
I don't ever use highlighters. So like putting on a highlighter for me is like
This
new
side?
because I do use makeup sometimes.
She plays with makeup. She does not leave the house in makeup.
No, I don't. Unless it's like Halloween or
Mm-hmm.
something.
This MAC Aaliyah palette, and it just looks like this on the inside. It's been used. But I'm going to go in with that gold shade right there. And I'm just going in with my finger like that. And I'm just going across, look straight at the camera. I'm just taking it across her lid.
That's your finger?
Yeah.
It feels soft.
And I'm going to do the exact same thing to her eye on the other side.
It feels like a brush.
And then I'm going to go back into that highlighter that I used. And it's just the Mary Loumanizer highlighter.
Nice.
And I'm going to be placing it in her inner corners. And now I'm just going to take the bronzer. Oh my god, guys.
Oh my god, it just broke.
I don't know where that went. Whatever, just sit down.
I'll look for it.
So I'm just gonna take a little bit on a eyeshadow blending brush and take it in the crease, just to add a little bit of dimension to her crease and like blend that gold and make it look all more seamless. And now for her lips, I'm just gonna be taking the Kylie lip in the shade Commando. I'm just gonna curl her lashes, guys.
Oh,
You can talk.
It looks
My
painful.
grandma would just, I'd ask her and she'd like,
You need to talk louder. Open your
do you
eye.
want something to eat? And I'd be like, sure. And then I'd say like lemon, like cut up lemon.
That is not true.
I
Yes,
did.
it
You can
is.
ask Mom. I'd ask for it. And
You
I'd-
would eat
I'd
lemon?
eat it off of the thing.
She does.
What?
I've seen her. I go downstairs with her, and then I just come, and I'm like, I had one lemon.
So
but
one
I
thing
don't think-
about both of them, come here. One thing about the both of them, the light is like right in my eyes, but they both have the most beautiful eyelashes ever. I almost just got it on your face.
I feel like you did. I felt
It
it.
did touch it, but it didn't.
Oh, I don't like that. No, they look just like so.
Open?
They just get when it gets on the tips, it makes it look like fake lashes.
Okay.
It's like the weirdest thing.
Yeah. And now that her mascara is on, the last step that I did for my makeup was a lip gloss. And this is just from Forever 21. And it's in the shade Nude Crystal. And it's seriously really pretty, guys. And I'm just going to be placing it over top the lip. And just like that, that's the finished look. She has the exact same look on that I have. Go close up to the camera and show, like, so, like, close your eyes. This is the first time that I filmed in this room and stuff like that, so I'm not good with the lighting and stuff like that. But as I get more used to it, the lighting will get better, so I really do. I'm so sorry for the lighting in this video. But yeah, she looks just like me, my mini me. She's so cute. I love her so much. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you'll definitely be seeing more of both of them on my channel. So yeah, make sure to tell them what to do.
Turn your device this way and hit that subscribe button if it's red, and if it's red, click it gray, and also hit that bell and hit a thumbs up. Peace.
Bye!